Chako chenro mar yawo kar timo ohala ma Naivasha bang' jatend piny Kenya William Ruto chako kambi mar uso geche. Chenro mosingo ni biro kelo lokruok maduong' e ohala mar uso geche pacho kaendi. Ka nolose gweng' ma Mai Mahiu bang' yawo kambino, Ruto wacho ni kambi mar Jumbo AAA Holdings oketo mwandu modhuro e chenro no, ma bende en mokwongo e piny mag Afrika. Nomedo pako kambino kowacho ni obiro jiwo piem e kind kembe matimo ohand uso geche pacho kaendi. Ewi mano, Ruto singo ni piny owacho biro ng'iewo lowo malachne en eka 5,000 mondo gikel dongruok e kar timo ohalano.
As key factors. I'm happy that some of the issues have been addressed through collaborative efforts by the national government, administrative agencies that are more user-friendly
It is the first Japanese car auction in Africa. Buyers will also use the Kenya shilling as a trading currency. So with your Kenya shilling, you don't have to struggle with finding out what the exchange rate is. The conversation we had about another investment of close to $100 million or 13 billion Kenya shillings using steam available in Olkaria under the Olkaria 7 program. We have now concluded that process. And Ken, I want to report to you that the steam will now be made available and the investment will become a reality.
As the first auto auction house launches in Kenya, Jumbo AAA will bring high-quality used car directly from Japan to Kenya. We aim to provide professional service and reliable cars to our Kenyan customers. We will facilitate transaction in Kenya shillings and continue to create job opportunities.
Board mochung' ne dero mag